The 2026 Renault Captur represents a bold evolution of one of Europe's most popular compact crossovers, blending modern design, advanced technology, and everyday practicality into a vehicle that feels perfectly suited for the future of urban mobility. The moment you see it, the Captur's refreshed exterior design immediately stands out. At the front, Renault's signature diamond emblem sits proudly within a wider, more refined grille, while the sleek C-shaped LED headlights give the vehicle a confident and futuristic expression. Sculpted body lines flow smoothly from the front, fenders along the side profile, giving the compact SUV a sense of motion even when it's standing still. A contrasting two-tone roof, bold wheel arches, and stylish alloy wheels further enhance its dynamic character, creating a crossover that feels youthful, modern, and unmistakably European. As you move toward the rear, the Captur continues to impress, with distinctive LED taillights that mirror the front lighting signature, giving the vehicle a cohesive design identity. Subtle chrome accents and a carefully sculpted rear bumper complete the look, emphasizing both elegance and practicality. But the real transformation becomes clear once you step inside. The interior of the 2026 Renault Captur is designed to make you feel immediately connected to the vehicle. In front of you sits a crisp digital instrument cluster that delivers driving information with clarity and style, while the large central touchscreen becomes the hub of the car's infotainment system. Powered by Renault's modern OpenR interface, with integrated Google services, the system allows you to navigate, stream music, and control vehicle settings with intuitive ease. The cabin itself feels spacious and thoughtfully designed, with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and subtle ambient lighting, creating an atmosphere that feels both premium and welcoming. The seats are shaped to provide comfort on long drives while still offering the supportive feel you expect from a modern crossover. One of the Captur's most practical features is its sliding rear bench seat, allowing you to adjust the balance between passenger legroom and cargo capacity depending on your needs. Whether you're carrying friends across the city or packing for a weekend getaway, the flexibility of the interior makes the Captur feel remarkably versatile. Under the surface, the 2026 Captur is expected to continue Renault's push toward efficient electrified powertrains, combining responsive performance with improved fuel economy and lower emissions. Hybrid technology plays a key role here, delivering smooth acceleration and quiet operation while maintaining the practicality drivers expect from a compact SUV. The suspension is tuned to handle city streets with confidence, giving you a comfortable ride while maintaining precise control through corners. Ultimately, the 2026 Renault Captur isn't just about updated styling or new technology. It represents Renault's vision for a compact crossover that feels smart, connected, and ready for modern life. From its striking exterior to its flexible and technology-rich interior, this vehicle invites you to experience a new level of everyday driving where design, innovation, and practicality come together seamlessly. Oh.